Hi everybody, it's Bruce Fate with Catalyst Lending and Steve Tinkham, my business partner. We're here on a wonderful Friday afternoon. It's beautiful outside. We wish we were out enjoying it a little bit more. But anyway, for February in Missouri, we'll take this anytime. So I wanted to talk with you about the interest rates, the Friday rate update. Interest rates, man, they're on a cycle. It's up and down. There's a lot of volatility right now, depending on what day that you're getting quoted, what hour of the day, in all honesty. But as of this moment, we're at 4.875 on a 30-year fixed, 4.375 on the 15-year, and 4 3/4 or 4.75 on FHA. Obviously, all of those depend on loan-to-value, credit, and so forth. So those are kind of your best scenarios. But anyway, lots of news with Fannie and Freddie. You want to touch on that real quick?
Yeah, there's a lot of talk out there from Capitol Hill about dismantling, getting rid of Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, which, you know, what does that mean? Is that good? Is that bad? I don't know. There's a lot of things that say government should be out of it. But yet the one thing that does stick out is the fact that there's not enough money out there within the banks themselves to actually lend this money and have the system the way it is today. Certainly what that's going to mean is tighter underwriting guidelines because they've got more risk involved. It's going to be higher rates, higher fees. That's just kind of one of the quick givens. Now, will it end up resulting in better things? I don't know. There's a lot of things that we have to question here. It's just funny that the people that are wanting to fix the problem are the ones that broke it in the first place.
And they got it started.
As a matter of fact, if you just bear with us a second, got a couple clips from some people just not too long ago saying that everything was fine. We didn't need to fix anything. So check this out. We'll be right back.
A mistake that was made by, frankly, the Bush administration more than anybody else, but some others joined in, which was to give everybody a house to own. I continually argue that for some people in certain economic categories and in some social categories, rental housing is the appropriate form.
But didn't you, Barney, didn't you support Fannie Mae and the like? Didn't
for
you
rental housing, yes. I was very critical. I was pushing them to do more rental housing, and that's a big distinction. Those of us on our committee in particular will continue to push for home ownership. But you're not going to see the collapse that you see when people talk about a bubble.
We were trying to fix something that wasn't broke. Mr. Chairman, we do not have a crisis at Freddie Mac, and in particular at Fannie Mae.
And with that being said, as you can tell, it's kind of entertaining when you see that. We try to bring you a little bit of humor as well as the seriousness. And as far as seriousness right now, the MI changes. If you haven't heard, obviously mortgage insurance, they're going up effective April 18th. So
that's the insurance that you have to get if you don't have 20% down payment.
Yeah, for FHA loans. So even under 90% on the 15-year, they're putting in mortgage insurance, which they've never done. So the bottom line to you, the real estate agent and our referral partners, make sure your clients are aware of this. If they're close, if they're thinking about purchasing a home, make sure that they step on it and move it up, because April 18th, the cost, just as a generality, a $100,000 loan is going to be about $25 more per month as far as mortgage insurance for them. So, those are just some things to be wary of. We'll let you know of all the changes as they come, obviously. And in closing, I want to touch on the houses. Man, houses are really moving. We've seen, with the exception of above 350,000, those are a little bit, stagnant. But from 300 to 350, almost 50%. We pulled up some reports here in Lee Summit, and of the homes, there's approximately 600 of them that have sold. It's almost 50%, all the way from zero all the way up to 350,000. So
for those of you that don't know, 50% is half.
Half of the homes are selling out there. There's a lot less inventory from what we're seeing. And the bottom line is there's a lot of people moving. There's a lot of people getting ready. Rates are still really good, so we would love to help out. As you know, subscribe right up here. Contact us right up here. Either Steve or myself will be happy to help you out. You guys have a fantastic weekend, and just give us a call if you need something.
Enjoy the weather.
Take care.